Cleaning your house should count as a workout, but without the emotional damage. These gadgets won't magically clean for you, but they will make cleaning faster, easier, and way less annoying. Today I'm showing you the smartest cleaning inventions for real adults with no time, no patience, and zero interest in doing things the hard way. Links are in the description. Hit like, subscribe, and let's make cleaning hurt a little less. This handheld steam cleaner is one of those tools that quietly replaces half your cleaning cabinet. Powered by high-pressure steam, it heats up in about 3 minutes and releases superheated vapor that cuts through grease, grime, and buildup without using a single chemical. Just water, heat, and results you can actually see. With 10 included accessories, it adapts easily to almost any surface around your home. Use it on tile and grout in the bathroom, kitchen countertops, ovens, sinks, and toilets, or take it to your car to refresh upholstery, clean vents, and reach tight corners. The powerful steam penetrates deep into surfaces, lifting dirt and residue while helping eliminate odors and bacteria. The pressurized steam reaches up to 221 degrees Fahrenheit and runs continuously for up to 12 minutes, giving you enough time for real deep cleaning instead of quick touch-ups. A built-in safety lock adds peace of mind, especially when cleaning around family spaces. It's a compact, natural, and surprisingly powerful way to clean more with less effort. You can get it for $49.99. The JOYMOOP Mop and Bucket Set is designed for people who want clean floors without the mess, splashing, or bending over dirty water. Its dual-chamber bucket separates washing and drying, so the mop cleans itself as you go. One side removes dirt and debris. The other squeezes out excess water, keeping your hands completely clean the entire time. The flat mop head rotates 360 degrees, making it easy to clean under furniture, along baseboards, on walls, and even tight corners that traditional mops struggle to reach. The stainless steel handle adjusts from 26.5 to 50 inches, so anyone in the household can mop comfortably without back strain. It includes 5 reusable microfiber pads that trap dust, pet hair, and grime instead of pushing it around. They are machine washable and built to last, making this system both practical and cost-effective. When you're done, everything stores neatly inside the bucket, saving space in small apartments or closets. It's lightweight, efficient, and genuinely makes floor cleaning faster and less frustrating. You can get it for $35.99. The Wall Cleaner Mop with long handle is the kind of tool that makes you realize how much effort cleaning used to take. With an adjustable handle that extends up to 82 inches, it lets you clean ceilings, high walls, windows, and corners without climbing ladders or bending your back. Its smart 3-in-1 design combines microfiber and chenille pads for dusting, sweeping, and wet mopping, while the built-in squeegee on the other side dries surfaces fast without leaving streaks. The 90-degree flippable panel is especially useful for baseboards, turning an annoying chore into a quick pass. The flexible triangle head rotates smoothly to reach tight angles, crown molding, furniture edges, and spaces under couches. It feels stable overhead thanks to the reinforced connection, so it does not wobble while cleaning high areas. With 6 reusable machine-washable pads included, it works for both dry dusting and deep cleaning. Lightweight, versatile, and easy to store, this mop covers almost every surface in your home with one tool. You can get it for $17.99. The Cordless Ceiling Fan Cleaner is the kind of cleaning tool that instantly makes high, dusty spots feel manageable. With its extendable handle reaching up to 62.5 inches, it lets you clean ceiling fan blades, corners, and cobwebs without climbing ladders or balancing on chairs. Just extend the handle, swipe, and you are done. What makes it especially practical is the 3-in-1 design. The soft chenille head wraps around fan blades to trap dust instead of spreading it, while the microfiber pad handles walls, baseboards, doors, and floors without scratching surfaces. Flip to the squeegee side, and you can dry windows, tiles, or smooth floors cleanly, without streaks or residue. Both cleaning heads are removable, reusable, and machine washable, so this is not a one-use gadget. It feels lightweight but sturdy, even when cleaning overhead, and works just as well for spider webs, blinds, moldings, and hard-to-reach edges. If you want one tool that replaces several cleaners and keeps dust under control from top to bottom, this one earns its place. You can get it for $24.99. This cute little duck is more useful than it looks. The duck hair catcher clip turns an annoying cleaning task into something quick, simple, and surprisingly hygienic. Its clamping design lets you grab hair, food residue, or drain debris without touching anything directly, making it perfect for sinks, showers, and kitchen drains. The duck-shaped head is not just for looks. It adds grip and control, while the serrated edges help catch stubborn buildup that usually causes clogs and bad odors. The vented bottom design allows proper drainage and airflow, helping keep drains fresher for longer. It installs easily with no drilling, takes up almost no space, and works as both a hair catcher and a mini drain cleaner. Small, practical, and oddly satisfying to use. You can get it for $7.99. The Decent Car Windshield Cleaning Tool makes one of the most annoying car chores fast and effortless. Its extendable handle and 180-degree swivel head help you reach every corner of your windshield without bending or straining. The reusable microfiber pads absorb moisture, remove fog, and lift dirt with ease, inside or outside the car. It even works on mirrors, windows, and glass screens at home. Simple, practical, and surprisingly satisfying to use. You can get it for $12.59. The Angry Mama Microwave Cleaner is one of those small gadgets that feels oddly satisfying to use. Just fill it with water and vinegar, place it in the microwave, and let the steam do the hard work for you. In minutes, dried food, grease, and stubborn splatters loosen up, so you can wipe everything clean without scrubbing or chemicals. Its playful design isn't just for looks. The sturdy handle makes it easy to remove, and the steam reaches corners you normally miss. It works in any microwave and uses only natural ingredients, making it safe and eco-friendly. If you hate scrubbing your microwave, this little tool turns an annoying chore into a quick, almost fun cleanup. You can get it for $6.79. The EyeVac Pro Touchless Vacuum completely changes the way you clean floors. Instead of chasing dirt with a dustpan, you simply sweep debris toward it, and the infrared sensors instantly activate powerful suction. Hair, crumbs, dust, and pet fur disappear in seconds without bending down or touching anything. With a strong 1400-watt motor, it's fast, efficient, and built for heavy daily use in kitchens, salons, pet areas, and busy homes. The high-efficiency filters trap fine dust and return clean air back into the room, making it a smart option for allergy-sensitive spaces. It's always ready, always on, and especially helpful for seniors or anyone who wants easier cleanup with less effort. Once you use it, a traditional dustpan feels outdated. You can get it for $189. This 4-in-1 pet hair remover is one of those tools that quietly replaces half your cleaning arsenal. It works as a lint brush, window screen cleaner, squeegee, and dust broom, all in one simple design. Pet hair lifts easily from couches, carpets, bedding, and car seats without sticky tape or wasted refills. The long handle reaches corners and tight spots without scratching fabrics, even on delicate materials. Use it dry to grab fur fast, or slightly wet to break down stuck-on grime and paw prints. Cleanup is just as easy. Rinse it under water, and it's ready again in seconds. It's lightweight, reusable, and perfect for homes with pets where fur never seems to stop. You can get it for $8.99. The Candy Cordless Vacuum is built for real homes with real messes. Pet hair on the couch, crumbs on hardwood, dust hiding in carpets. This vacuum handles it all without slowing you down. With 3 cleaning modes, you can switch from quick daily cleanups to full turbo power when things get serious. It delivers strong suction with a lightweight stick design, and the battery lasts up to 65 minutes, so you can clean the whole house without rushing. The LED display shows battery life and mode at a glance, while the headlights expose dust you didn't even know was there. The anti-tangle brush keeps hair from wrapping, and the vacuum lays completely flat to reach under furniture with ease. Add HEPA filtration and simple one-click emptying, and cleaning feels effortless again. You can get it for $99.99. The ODISTAR desktop vacuum is the tiny cleaner that quietly saves your workspace. Crumbs on your desk, dust in your keyboard, pet hair on the table, this mini vacuum handles it in seconds without cords or hassle. Powered by simple AA batteries, it runs up to 90 minutes, so it's always ready when small messes show up. The 360-degree rotating design reaches corners, edges, and tight spaces with ease, while the strong suction picks up dust, ash, and debris surprisingly well for its size. It stays quiet enough to use while studying, working, or even resting. Lightweight, portable, and easy to use for anyone, it's perfect for home, school, office, or car cleanup. You can get it for $12.98. This microfiber cobweb duster kit is one of those simple tools that makes high cleaning finally feel easy. With an extendable pole that reaches up to 100 inches, it lets you clean ceilings, ceiling fans, corners, and chandeliers without climbing ladders or balancing on chairs. You stay safe, and the dust still disappears. The set includes 3 different duster heads, each designed for a specific job. The bendable microfiber head flexes into corners and around fan blades. The cobweb collector grabs spider webs without spreading them. The chenille head is perfect for furniture, shelves, blinds, and windowsills. Every head is washable and reusable, so you rinse, dry, and keep going. No waste, no replacements every week. The flexible design bends to reach awkward angles, while the lightweight aluminum pole makes overhead cleaning comfortable instead of exhausting. It's ideal for homes with high ceilings, stairs, or hard-to-reach spaces that usually get ignored. You can get this complete cleaning kit for $11.99. This window cleaner with a long handle makes glass cleaning faster and way less annoying. The microfiber scrubber loosens dirt and soap buildup, while the silicone squeegee wipes everything away without streaks or scratches. The telescopic handle extends up to 57 inches, so you can clean high windows, shower doors, mirrors, and even car windshields without stretching or climbing. The pads are washable, reusable, and easy to swap. You can get it for $17.89. The PhoneSoap 3 is one of those gadgets that quietly fixes a problem we all ignore. Your phone goes everywhere with you, and this box uses patented 360-degree UVC light to sanitize it completely, front, back, and every edge, while it charges at the same time. Just place your phone inside, close the lid, and in 10 minutes it's disinfected and ready to go. It fits all modern smartphones, even larger models, and it's not limited to phones. Keys, earbuds, glasses, wallets, and jewelry can all go inside for a quick clean. With dual USB and USB-C ports, it works as a universal charger without adding extra clutter to your nightstand. Simple, effective, and backed by years of UV technology, it's an easy habit that makes sense. You can get it for $67.95. The SXHYF Crevice Cleaning Brush is the kind of small tool that solves big cleaning annoyances. Its narrow head and firm bristles slide easily into grout lines, sink edges, shower tracks, window rails, and tight corners where dirt loves to hide. You don't need harsh chemicals or endless scrubbing. The stiff bristles lift dust and grime with much less effort. The non-slip handle feels comfortable in your hand and gives you solid control, even during tougher cleaning jobs. It's sturdy, durable, and versatile enough for bathrooms, kitchens, appliances, door tracks, furniture, cars, and laundry rooms. When you're done, just rinse it and hang it using the built-in hole to save space and let it dry. Simple, practical, and surprisingly effective. You can get it for $11.69. The Mini Owl Desk Vacuum is one of those small gadgets that instantly makes your workspace feel cleaner. It's perfect for picking up crumbs, eraser shavings, dust, pet hair, and tiny paper scraps that always end up on desks, keyboards, and countertops. The detachable nozzle helps reach corners and narrow gaps, while removing it lets you quickly sweep larger messes in seconds. Despite its compact size, it delivers strong suction with surprisingly low noise, so it won't interrupt work, study, or quiet moments. It's USB rechargeable, runs for a long time on a single charge, and is easy to carry anywhere. The cute owl design even lights up while cleaning or charging, making tidying up feel less like a chore. Simple one-button control, easy to empty, and washable parts make it practical for everyday use. You can get it for $13.99. The BISSELL Little Green Mini is the compact cleaner you grab the moment a spill happens. It sprays, scrubs, and suctions to lift deep stains from carpets, upholstery, car seats, and pet beds with ease. The Tough Stain tool tackles set-in messes, while the Hydro Rinse tool cleans the hose after every use. Small enough to store anywhere, yet powerful enough to save your space, and every purchase helps support pets in need. You can get it for $74.99. This keyboard cleaner laptop cleaning kit is the kind of gadget you don't realize you need until you use it once. It's designed to deep clean everything you touch daily: keyboards, laptops, tablets, phones, earbuds, camera lenses, and even car crevices. The retractable main brush sweeps away dust fast, while the high-density mini brush and metal tip reach deep between keys without damage. Polishing microfiber cloths clean screens edge to edge with zero streaks, and the lens pen keeps delicate surfaces crystal clear. The flocking sponge handles charging cases and tight audio ports with ease. Compact and portable, it fits in a drawer, backpack, or car, making it perfect for home, office, or travel. Simple, safe, and incredibly satisfying to use, it turns device cleaning into a quick routine instead of a chore. You can get it for $16.99. The Electric Spin Scrubber is one of those cleaning tools that instantly makes hard chores feel easy. Instead of scrubbing by hand, this cordless brush does the work for you with powerful rotation and 2 speed modes, letting you choose gentle cleaning or deep scrubbing depending on the surface. With up to 90 minutes of runtime on a single charge, it keeps going long enough to tackle the entire bathroom, kitchen, or even your car. Its adjustable handle extends to multiple lengths, so you can clean showers, tubs, tiles, and glass without bending or kneeling, making it especially helpful for backs and joints. The 8 interchangeable brush heads let you switch from grout to large surfaces in seconds, all without scratching delicate areas. Water-resistant and lightweight, it's designed for real-life messes and everyday use. You can get it for $35.99. The ColorCoral Keyboard Cleaning Gel is a simple little tool that works surprisingly well. You just press it onto your keyboard, car vents, or any hard-to-reach surface, and it instantly lifts dust, crumbs, and debris you didn't even know were there. No brushes, no liquids, and no complicated steps. Made from a natural gel formula, it feels soft in your hands, never sticks to your skin, and leaves behind a light lemon scent while you clean. It's safe to use on electronics like laptops, cameras, printers, speakers, and even air conditioner vents. The gel is reusable too. Keep using it until the color darkens, then replace it when it's done its job. The pack includes 2 containers, so you always have one ready. You can get this 2-pack for $8.99. The CiaraQ Bottle Cleaning Brush Set is one of those small tools that quietly solves a lot of everyday problems. With 10 different brush sizes, it reaches places regular sponges and brushes simply can't. Narrow bottlenecks, reusable straws, coffee tubes, lids, pipes, and tiny gaps are no longer a hassle. Each brush is made with durable stainless steel wire and firm nylon bristles, strong enough to scrub residue but gentle enough for glass and delicate items. The variety of diameters means you always have the right size for the job, whether you're cleaning water bottles, baby feeding tubes, coffee equipment, or even keyboard gaps. All 10 brushes stay neatly organized on a keychain, so you never lose them and can grab the exact size you need in seconds. Compact, practical, and surprisingly versatile, this set earns its place in any kitchen or cleaning drawer. You can get this full 10-piece set for $5.69.